Welcome to Blackjack Special.
What's up, family? Welcome back to the channel, Blackjack Special, back with another video for you guys. Alright, for today's video, we're going to be talking about the one-stop shops for your G37, for your Nissan, you know what I'm trying to say, all their VQ platform, you guys know what I'm saying, alright? The one place where you can go and get everything you need for your G37, alright? Let's get into the video. Yo, I'm feeling this beat, guys. This beat is crazy. Okay, do a freestyle right now. I'm in a G37. Shorty's like, babe, feel like I'm in heaven. She said, babe, where we heading? We're going to Dynamo Motorsport, Z1 Motorsport, and McLean Auto. I'm talking Cupid Auto. When I'm in this whip, man, I won the lotto. This shit ain't auto. Yeah, let's get back to the video, guys. Let's do this shit. Let's get back to the video. Alright, guys, first on the list we got Z1 Motorsport. If you're in a G, if you're in a Z, I'm pretty sure you guys heard of Z1 Motorsport. If you haven't heard of Z1 Motorsport, you're probably new in the game. But anyways, now you know Z1 Motorsport is your one-stop shop. That's just one of the shops that you can go on the website. You can probably get everything you need for your G37. If you're rebuilding the whole car, you probably can find everything you need. You know what I'm saying? Z1 Motorsport is a one-stop shop, okay? So we're gonna go through Z1. I'm gonna show you guys a lot of different parts that you can get on Z1. Show you guys the prices as well, all right? Personally, I shop with Z1 a lot. I got, let's say, 90% of the parts on my G is probably from Z1. So I highly recommend Z1. That's why we're going with Z1 for number one, all right? Here's a new plenum right here you guys can grab, right? Lower plenum right here you guys can grab. So the thing is, I actually got my upper plenum ported by Z1 and my lower plenum ported, where they just pretty much open up the plenum, open up the manifold here, and then they take out any type of imperfections that's in there, all right? So yeah, Z1 has it all, guys. Like, a couple more parts here on Z1. You get some ignition coil pack set here, you know what I'm saying? You got clutches here, spacers, like I said, wheels. You got differential cover if you want to change up that cover and, you know, make it look nice. You know what I'm saying, guys? Everything you guys need. We got headers here. We got like a nice camber traction arm combo. You guys just check out the website yourself, man. Check it out. We got brakes here. Z1 has his own big kit. Also, I know they have their own Z1 two-piece rotors, and I know they're a decent price. Like, look, you got a whole OEM timing kit. Telling you guys, man, Z1 is a one-stop shop, baby. OEM headlights, yo, telling you guys, man, I don't think there's anywhere else that has as much Infiniti or Nissan shit than Z1. So, okay, let me log in. Okay, so I'm in. Let's go to my orders. All right, so as you guys can see, I also got the inlet heater hose and the connector, because last time that broke on me, right? I did a video on that. The hose, pretty much that connector came apart, coolant went everywhere, G was down for a bit, right? So I got those parts from Z1. But the only thing is, if you live in Canada like me, man, it's gonna cost you, you know what I'm saying? The difference with the currency, and then you gotta pay like, I don't know, you gotta pay like maybe a brokerage fee or something, or, you know what I mean, just to get that import fee, just to get the parts, you know, here. So as you guys can see, we got that. I also got my Vibrant resonators from Z1. You can also get them on Amazon, all right? So that's what I got from there. I also got a boundary pump from Z1, right? That's an upgraded oil pump. So pretty much they changed the gear that's in the oil pump to replace it, because the gear is known to fail. So Z1 pretty much rebuild it and replace the gear, so that way, you know, it won't fail. Yeah, I also got some engine mounts from Z1, so you guys can see all the parts I have in the car, right? So this was a transmission mount, sorry, and I also got 2 engine mounts from Z1 as well, right? What else did I get from? Oh, I didn't get this. I didn't get that. I know why it's on my order. Also got the timing cover, you know, galley gasket. So yes, that was upgraded on the G. You know what I'm saying? Like, then I got this whole OEM timing kit. When I rebuilt the motor, all the timing cover, O-rings, and seal kit, everything got from Z1. So yeah, pretty much whole build is from Z1. My Motordyne exhaust was also from Z1, right? Short shifter, which I'm gonna change eventually, is from Z1, right? Also got these cams from Z1 that's pretty much causing the problem with the VVL sensor. These are the JWT-C2 exhaust camshaft, right? And yes, I also got the Z1 400 package. I did not get an exhaust, did not get the intake. I honestly just sent in my manifolds. And then I just end up getting the headers as well. So I got the upper and the lower plenums, and then I also got the headers from Z1. Guys, Z1 Motorsport is #1, guys. So next on the list we got Concept Z. Concept Z, very similar to Z1. They don't have as much as Z1, but very similar. I believe sometimes they even have the same stuff. Maybe Concept Z even get stuff from Z1, because Z1 make a lot of stuff, a lot of their own, you know, stuff. So Concept Z is another one that I ordered a lot of stuff for the G. I can show you guys here my order list. As you guys can see, you know, it's pretty expensive, right? This shit's not cheap. Since 7 years and 11 months, I've been a customer of Concept Z. As you guys can see, let's check out what I've ordered from them. So there we go. So Concept Z, I end up finding the Corelio Pro H-beam connecting rods for the motor, for the block, right? And all the other stuff I needed. I had ARP head studs, you know what I mean? ARP stud nuts, ARP ultra torque fastener, assembly lube, ARP washers, you know, you name it. They got the pistons from here. So yeah, Concept Z is also another place where you can get a lot of stuff if you're trying to build your G. Z1, Concept Z, between those two, you pretty much can get everything you need, guys. Also, they got like intake, you know, whatever you need here too. Let's see what they got for sale. Got a lot of different, as you guys can see, they carry a lot of different brands, right? You guys can probably get test pipes and stuff here. I remember people asked before about test pipes. I usually sent them here because I believe Z1 only really carried their own test pipes so far. Don't quote me on it. I don't think Z1 has a lot of options anymore for test pipes like they used to. But anyways, Concept Z has a lot of test pipes, resonated test pipes, high flow cats, etc. You guys, you name it, right? All different prices. You can get this test pipes for a cheap price. And honestly, test pipes don't really make a difference. If you choose a good brand, and the build quality should be good, so you shouldn't crack or anything like that. The wells should be good. Concept Z, check them out, whatever you guys need, okay? So next on the list, we're gonna get into exterior mods, right? Like we get into the more exterior, you wanna make the G look good. What's the next place do I recommend, all right? So next on the list, I recommend Outcast Garage, all right? Outcast Garage, they got everything for the exterior. They even got exhaust. Let's check out Outcast, see what we got here. So look, you got the OG design front bumper for the G35. Got a nice little exhaust right here, single exit. They also got a Tommy Extreme. This is just the home page, guys. We're checking. They got the Alpha Rex headlights. So you're looking for headlights for the G. Oh, come on, guys. Come on, guys. These you can't really beat it, man. These guys got it all here. Carry a lot of different brands as well. So let's shop Infinity. Let's go to the G37 Coupe. Let's see what they got for the G. So you can get air ride suspension here as well. Everything for that. Got a nice engine cover here. You guys can get different bumper, TS style front bumper, TS style fiberglass side skirt, TS style rear bumper here again. You got this DSR style roof. You guys can get some Akabono brakes. Yeah, guys, they got a lot of stuff here, man. Motor grip exhaust. This was the exhaust I had before the motor dying, but I got it used. Very, very, very good exhaust. I recommend this exhaust. All right. Suspension, they got coilovers here. BC Racing, they also got rims. You know what I'm saying? Obviously these things are not cheap, so you know what I mean, shop around if you know, but if you're looking for like one-stop shops, these are the places I recommend. Okay, you can get seats here as well for your G37. All right, guys. Style front bumper, fiberglass right here, guys. If anyone's looking for that bumper, it's right here. $722 is on sale. Man, this thing looks clean. If I fuck up the IPL bumper, it's probably gonna be the next one. Not gonna do no wide body like this though, but it looks really good. But yeah, guys, you guys get the idea, man. Whether you have a Z, whether you have a G, you know what I'm saying? You got even, look at this. Ooh, AMS GT front bumper right here, looks clean. Whatever you guys are looking for, I'm telling you guys, between these three, you guys should be good. You know what I mean? You guys should be good. So these are the more expensive companies, you know what I'm saying? They got more original, you know what I'm trying to say, official shit, right? So it's gonna be a little more expensive. If you guys are looking for more on the cheaper end, I would say next, let's go to eBay. Let's check out eBay. All right, guys, let's check out eBay. I know everybody heard of eBay. Don't let people, you know what I mean, talk shit about eBay. Because at the end of the day, I'm telling you guys, eBay just has a lot of stores, you know what I'm saying? So you can't really say, oh, eBay is shit. It's just a lot of stores on eBay, right? So you just gotta look around, check the shit, make sure it's good, make sure it fits your G. As you can see in my garage, I have the G right here. So these are different things I searched previously. Coupe, custom headlights. Damn, I suck. What do we got here again? Yes. So you guys are looking for headlights. Let's have some pretty cool aftermarket headlights right here. You know what I'm saying? Not too bad on the price. It's Canadian as well, so you know, $543. Yeah, guys, I got a lot of different headlights. The Alpha Rex headlights are here as well on eBay. So like I said, man, like I even got my lip off eBay. Let me go on my eBay account. Let me show you guys what I've purchased so far off eBay for the G. So I got the pump off eBay, which doesn't work. I thought it was gonna work. So like I said, check, be careful, make sure, you know what I mean, you order the right shit. It was slightly different than the original, than the OEM pump that I have. Also got my VVL control module off eBay, as you can see. So got my front carbon fiber front mesh grill off eBay, as you guys can see. That's where I got it. Got this shift boot here off a company in England, in the UK. I paid pretty good money for it, man, like 60 bucks US. I actually have it at home. It's brand new. I'm probably gonna do a giveaway on that, just because I don't need it. I have the purple one and I wanted to go with the purple team for the G. Also got this front emblem or rear emblem, trunk emblem for the G as well, all carbon fiber for like 10 bucks. So you know what I'm saying, I shop on eBay. Got some stuff for my girl's car, the Murano. I got these mats. I actually bought these for my bro in the States in New York. He had a Q60, so I got him these. He no longer has a Q, but anyways, these mats are pretty good. He loved them. I also got the King bearings when I was building the motor from eBay, right? All these different parts. So eBay is number 4 on the list, all right? Just to get shipped from for the G37, like your one-stop shop. What do you want? Rims, suspension, you know, whatever you need, eBay has it. And the last place I recommend, recently I've been looking and I've been noticing they got a lot of shit now, you know what I'm saying, for the Jeep. But I'm just saying, just do your research before you buy it. But seems like they have some decent shit on here. And I'm talking about Amazon, all right? I'm talking about Amazon. So let's go to Amazon Canada right here. Go on the website. Let's just type in G37S. Just G37S and see what comes up for this car. See what they have, right? So yeah, you know, you're looking for to replace your light bulbs. They got, you know, some carbon fiber pieces. Yeah, and eBay is really good for the trim pieces as well. And it looks like Amazon is getting a lot of stuff for cars now. So Amazon is going to be like taking over everything soon, guys. Even steering wheel you can get, you know what I'm saying, here on Amazon, right? These filters, you know what I'm saying. Looks like they got some kind of springs here as well. You guys can get diffuser. Like I said, I don't know what the quality is going to be like, but if you're looking for something, you know what I mean, for your G, you don't want to spend a lot of money. Hey, this is expensive though. $526, bro. Like, I don't know, but you know, just get it, paint it, make it look good. They even got grill, another carbon fiber mesh grill here, honeycomb grills here. Oh, I wonder if they have those headlights, right? They got the duckbill spoiler, so it's kind of similar stuff to eBay, guys. All right, all trim pieces. These are matte black. If they were carbon fiber, that would have been it right there. You can get different tail lights as well. Change your key. You know, you can get that on eBay as well. So yeah. Oh, they even got this big screen right here. Like if you guys trying to change out the screen, get like your Tesla, you know, style screen. eBay has, I mean, and Amazon, eBay has as well, but Amazon has it right here. Looking at the price, and doesn't look too 3 out of 5 stars. I don't know, man. I want like 4 and up before I buy that. Yeah, you got some proper LED lights here for the G. Like, oh, look at these nice carbon fiber trim piece right here, trim panel right here. Oh yeah, guys, so you guys get the idea. You're going to cover for your car. These are the one-stop shops, guys. These are the places that I'll go first before I go anywhere else. You know what I'm saying? If you want to do that, those strip lights, so you get that nice ambient lighting and stuff, boom, eBay has it as well. I don't know how that looks. I think that looks a little bit rice, but hey, I'm not dissing anybody's shit. I'm just saying you do what you want to do. Oh nice, it's a nice little carbon fiber package right here. Yeah, but yeah, guys, you get the drift. That's what the video is about today. Said number 1 was Z1 Motorsport. We said number 2 was Concept Z. We said number 3 was Outcast Garage, right? Then we said number 4 was eBay, and we're at number 5, which is Amazon. All right, that's my top 5. Those are my 5 top shops. 5 one-stop shops for your G37. That's what I recommend. That's what I go show you guys my orders. You see, I purchased a lot of shit from there. You know what I'm saying? There's a lot of motherfucking parts in between Concept Z and Z1. You know what I mean? Like, building cars are not cheap, so you guys already know what you're getting yourself into. At least now you guys know where to get the shit if you don't know. If you're new in the game, you're thinking about buying a G, you're wondering, where am I gonna find all these parts? How do I make my G look good? That's the spot, guys. That's the spot. There's a lot of other places out there too, I'm sure, but these are the 5 that I usually shop at when I want to purchase something for the G. For wheels, I'll probably shop around. There's a lot of other websites, other companies, you know, other places that sell wheels. They specialize in wheels, so you probably want to go there. Shop around. If you guys have any questions, you know what I'm saying, I can do some more research, find out some other places. Let me know what you guys want to see, man. But yeah, I appreciate y'all rocking with me, the BlackJack family, you know what I'm saying? One love, stay safe out there, peace, you know what it is.
Me lately, I don't need a lot. I've been to myself, just me lately, I don't need a lot. I don't need a lot, no. Just me and the fam, few friends ain't playing, I don't speak a lot. And I can't stop,